Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Some time ago I did post on my Instagram this blue nail art, and then after some time I did post a photo of the same nail art after 6 days, and it looked the same, and it was not a gel polish. And I do get asked a lot if I wear gel polish or how is that it doesn't chip, and usually it comes with a comment like, my nails chip after 1 day. Or regular nail polish does not stay on my nails, I can use only gel polish if I want it to last. So I figured that I might prepare a video like this one because I know that it is a struggle to have a perfect manicure for a long time with no chips. Also, I asked you on Instagram if you wanted to see my tips and tricks that I use to make my nail polish stay for a long time, and you said yes, so here it is. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. So first of all, you need to have healthy nails. This is a must, not negotiable, this is just how it is. Basically, if your nails are weak and they bend easily, the nail polish will bend with them and it will crack eventually. Also, when your nails split and peel a lot, then nail polish will peel off with them. And if your nails break a lot, your nail polish will break with them. So what you can do? Embrace your nail care routine, take care of them, make it a habit to moisturize your hands. Use hand cream daily and few times a day. The best would be every time you wash your hands or whenever you feel like they're dry. Here you can see some of the hand creams that I like and use. Orly is a more expensive option and more affordable. The second one is the one from supermarket in Spain that's called Mercadona, and I'm just so in love with these hand creams. They are both very good and they saved my hands few times, but to be honest, every moisturizing hand cream will do. Just please use it. Second very important thing is to oil your nails. I make my own mixture of oil and I have these nail oil pens that I bought on AliExpress and I just fill them with my oil. I do use jojoba oil with vitamin E, and this is actually a Simply Nailogical's recipe. She did include that a long time ago in one of her videos, and I use it since then, and I can confirm that it makes a huge difference. Next, when you already have your beautiful healthy nails, we need to talk about preparation. First of all, you need to remember to remove your cuticles. When you leave them, the nail polish would chip because it wouldn't stick to the nail, just to the cuticle that is easily removable and you can scratch it out. To remove them, I just use a cuticle remover and some orange wood stick, or you can use as well this metal tool. You just need to be careful and not to go too hard on your nails and cuticles. Next thing that I like to do is to remove all of the oils from my nails. To do that, I just put some cleaner on the cotton pad and I press it onto the nail for some time. And also I like to clean my free edge with the same cotton with cleaner. So that is it for prepping, and now let's talk about painting the nails itself. So if you are watching this video, probably you know by now that you should use a base coat and a top coat to make your nail polish stay longer. But I don't think that this is enough to say. You need to use a good quality products. Bad stuff will not make your nail polish last. I would even say that it will make your nail polish chip more easily. Here you can see some of my faves that I use. So we have here, for example, Orly or NCLA. At the moment, my favorite one is Nail Defense from Orly. It is a base coat, but it is primarily a nail conditioner, which is not only making your nail polish stay longer, but also it is good for your nails. Same thing with top coats. It is very important, so if you want your manicure to last longer, you need to invest in good quality products. It is like with makeup. When you have bad quality eyeshadow palette, your makeup will not last and will not look good. And also, we cannot forget that the nail polish itself is also very important. I like to have a pigmented nail polish that dries pretty quickly and that is not too thick. Now that we talked about the quality, let me give you some of my tips that I use to have a long-lasting manicure. You might have heard of them, but we are here to talk about this subject, so I do need to mention them. So when it is to painting my nails, I like to use pretty thin coats, but not too thin. The reason for that is that I like them to dry completely before I make another coat, but at the same time I want my money to have 2 coats of a nail polish. 3 is like the most I would say, so for that I need that pigmentation. Also, I feel like they stick better when they are thin to the previous coat, and somehow they just wear better, and the ends will not wear out too quickly. Also, I do cap my free edge. It is very important because this part of the nail is the most exposed part, and you touch things with it and it just wears out. So if you apply more nail polish there, first this additional cap on the free edge will wear out and not the part on the nail. So this is how it should look like when you cap it. The free edge should be covered with a nail polish. Also, I try to paint my nails as straight in a cuticle area as I can, because that way the nail polish just sticks better to the nail and will not lift from the sides. When I do have some imperfection, I would just use a nail brush with a nail polish remover and I would clean up to have crisp, clean line. Now when it comes to the nail polish, some of them stay on the nail longer. Probably you've noticed that when you have a glitter nail polish and it is actually a nightmare to remove. So when we think about that and we want our nail polish to actually stay longer, we can use some of the nail polish with some small glitters or with some kind of flakes in it, because these things stick to your nail incredibly and they will extend the wear of your nail polish. Also, a good thing and a practice is to make a nail art of some sort, like stamping design. I need to admit that stamps make your mani last way longer. I'm not really sure why is that. I think it is because we have that additional thin layer of a nail polish that is capping the edge. Kind of makes sense for me. Now, when it comes to applying a top coat, we did talk about the quality of the products we use, so I will not talk about that anymore. But there is one more thing you could do to make your mani last longer, and this is besides of course, capping the free edge with your top coat, and it is to make 2 coats of a top coat. It works amazingly for me, and I pretty much always make 2 coats of a top coat. I just let the first one dry completely to not make a mess on my nails. We don't really want that. And then I apply a second one. And if you feel like your ends are wearing off during the week, you can add an additional coat. Now, last but not least is be patient. Paint your nails when you have time. Don't rush it. Don't touch things with wet nails. Just let it dry completely before you do anything. You don't want to smudge your nails because then the surface of the nail will not be even, and this nail could just pick up on things like, your clothes, your hair, and then this will cause lifting and you will need to change your nails faster. And it is all just a practice. Just don't think that your nails are somehow not made for regular nail polish. Just take care of them and give them some love, and they will be in a better shape, and so your manicure. So I hope you liked that video. It is something different that I usually do, but I did enjoy creating that content. So if you would like to see more nail care and hacks related videos, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!